Pawb, and welcome to the first of our virtual celebration assemblies. It's been 7 weeks since we were all together in school, and during that time you've all been super busy completing lots of really exciting, interesting activities. It's been an absolute treat to have a look through them all. We've put together a small selection from each class to share with you. We hope you enjoy it. Since we've been away from school, some children have celebrated their birthdays. So happy birthday to Evelyn, Elsie, Georgia and Robert. I hope you had a lovely day with lots of lovely presents. and lots of special treats. So thank you everyone. We hope you enjoyed the first of our virtual celebration assemblies. This weekend is bank holiday weekend, so have some fun, enjoy the sun, but most of all, keep yourselves safe and well. We're really missing you and looking forward to seeing you again. Take care from everyone at Llangattock.